Okay, welcome again to the Double M Farm. A couple of people asked me to show how the Titan backhoe thumb folds up. I mentioned it, but I was having trouble with my camera. I'm hoping it's going to work better today. You know, it does help if you put batteries in it that are fresh and good. So we'll see if she holds up here. You can see here the thumb is folded up. To save time, I've already loosened the nut. This is a U-bolt, 7 inches long, 3 inches across. So that's how I keep it stored, like that. Then, when I need to use the thumb, and I'll just take the U-bolt out, and the thumb drops out. Have the spare pin. It again like so. And she's ready to be used. Locked in a good position there. We also, as you can see, have two more points here. You can pull this pin, drop it down to this hole or this hole, move it closer. Also have another hole here, so I can actually raise it up even more, or I can reverse it and use this hole down here. So there are about four different settings that we can use there to adjust the thumb and make it where the bucket doesn't have to travel as far depending on what you're using it for. Then when I'm through, pull the pin, slide it up, slide that through. These are nylon locking nuts. Same size as the ones we hold my outriggers on. Then I tighten them down and there she is. Stored and out of the way and ready for next time. So that's kind of how I'm doing it. And to this point it's working real well. It is once again the Titan Attachments 24-inch backhoe thumb that comes unassembled. You weld it together and doing a tremendous job. Loaded up a bunch of stuff with it yesterday and would have shown you more when but my camera was just not working, and of course the obvious solution was putting fresh batteries in it. So I got that taken care of, and as soon as I have another day where I have time to get out there and load some more, I've got a whole bunch of logs. I just cut a couple of big pine trees. I'll have to load those logs up. But the chainsaw is about whipped my butt this morning, so we'll try loading those logs maybe tomorrow and put that on and give you another idea of how the little trencher's working with the thumb. So there you go, another quick shot. I think everybody likes the short videos instead of having to sit around and just watch, but I don't know. Hope everyone enjoyed it. If you're thinking about getting one, seems to work out real well so far. Haven't had any problems at all. So again, thanks for visiting us here at the Double M Farm, and we'll talk to you again.